Capable to Promise, part of the Acumatica Manufacturing Suite Advanced Planning and Scheduling module, provides the ability to commit to delivery dates for customer orders based on production and on resource capacity and inventory. CTP determines when delivery will be possible by using finite scheduling. It takes into consideration the constraints of the manufacturing system that might hinder production, such as accessibility of necessary resources, lead times for acquiring raw materials or purchased parts, and the ability to acquire resources needed for sub-assemblies or lower-level components. Now let's take a look. When you create a sales order with items to be produced and the customer expects to receive the items by a particular date, the requested on date, you can estimate the projected date when the requested quantity of items can be shipped to the customer. Suppose in this example that on March 25, 2021, the Thai food restaurant customer has ordered 2 configurable juicers for citrus and 10 pounds of oranges. This customer wanted to have the juicers be shipped in 2 days. You, as a customer service manager, need to make sure that the production department is able to produce the juicers by the requested date and negotiate the new shipping dates with the customer if the requested shipping date cannot be satisfied. On the sales order form, the customer service representative can specify the customer request date for each line item. Note that the juicer is a manufactured item and the CTP item checkbox has been selected. To use the Capable to Promise capability, you click the Process CTP action in the Actions menu of the sales order form. On the Process Capable to Promise form that opens, you can select one line or multiple lines of the sales order. Then select the Process CTP action and process to calculate the projected dates for the items on the selected lines. When the system finishes the calculation, the projected dates are displayed in the CTP date column. During the calculation of the projected date, the system creates a planning order whose type and number are also displayed. In the CTP date column, notice that the system calculated the projected date as April 1st, 2021, which is 5 days later than the customer expected the juicers to be shipped. Suppose that you would like to see if any configurable citrus juicers are available in a warehouse or in production so that you can negotiate a new requested date with the customer. By clicking on the Open Quantity field, a dialog box opens and we can see that all quantities except requested are 0. This means that currently the CFJ citrus stock item is not available. If any CTP dates do not meet the date requested by the customer, you can reject the dates by selecting the Reject action. For the rejected lines, the system deletes the planning order. In this case, you can negotiate with the customer to agree on new dates when the items in the order can be shipped. You can then update the requested dates in the sales order. Alternatively, you can accept the dates. Suppose that the customer agreed to receive the juicers on April 1st, 2021. Now you can accept the projected date and send the order to production. When the processing finishes, you'll note that these changes have also been saved back to the sales order. In the production number column, the system copied the production order number created during accepting the projected date. The requested on and ship on columns of the CFJ citrus line have also been updated. As with other screens in Acumatica, there is also a batch processing screen as well as scheduling and automation capability available for Capable to Promise. We have successfully calculated and accepted the projected dates for the customer's order by using the Acumatica Manufacturing Suite's new Capable to Promise functionality. Thanks for listening.